Here we are in the great and sovereign Republic of Texas in quarantine. And my backward country fuck redneck cousin Lori from Iowa challenged me to garage door opening beer chugging, which in these times actually sounded good to me. So here we have a full can of Coors Light taped to the garage door. Angela opens the garage door, I chug the beer, I send the video to my backward country fuck redneck cousin Lori, then she does the same thing and sends it to me. Actually brilliant. Hit it, baby.